Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology in less time full guide. Start by setting a short, specific goal for each session and remove distractions immediately. Use a timer to work in focused blocks and alternate active review with brief breaks. Prioritize concepts that link to systems and mechanisms and combine diagrams with concise notes. Practice retrieval regularly and track progress so you can refine what techniques save the most time. Active learning beats passive reading for faster mastery, so quiz yourself often and keep explanations short and clear. Turn headings into questions, recall answers from memory, and correct mistakes immediately. Use tiny teaching sessions to expose weak spots and convert notes into simple diagrams that show relationships. Rotate topics every session to prevent overfocusing, and keep sessions varied to maintain motivation and boost long-term retention with less overall study time. If you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like so I can make more guides like this. Quick recommendation: try the water bottle shown here to stay hydrated during study sessions. It keeps you sipping and focused without breaks. Check the description for the link and other deals so you can grab one easily. Thanks for the support. Now let's get back to the video. Select resources that give big returns for small time investments, such as concise review sheets and targeted question banks. Rely on spaced repetition for flashcards so you study each fact only as needed, not daily. Prefer short, clear videos for tricky topics rather than long lectures, and always pair explanations with quick sketches or bullet notes. This approach reduces redundant study and helps you cover more material accurately in shorter sessions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.